Yeah, I know.
Susanna's still at level 0. Alyssa's at level 0. Katana, I need you at level 0. You got this. Your direction teacher will get me like Sweet. So back to table 12. Gavin, what was one strategy that you used to solve the do now?
One strategy that I used to solve do now was to divide, because that's what it says for you to do. It says for you to use long division, so I did long division. So I just pretty much did the problem for the first one, and then for the second one I did the problem again, and then I found along the way to
Thank you for sharing. So, some of our steps for long division. Maria, what are our steps for long division? Yeah. So you're going to bring it down the next step. We have one more step that we're adding in because we're solving decimal problems. So our decimal point here, Kyrie, we're going to bring up from where it's at in the dividend up to where the quotient is. Dividend quotient. Bringing that decimal point up. Does that make sense, Eduardo? No?
No, yes, it does make sense.
Let's take another example. So we have a decimal point here, Estrella. We're going to bring this decimal point up. So that whatever our answer is, we know exactly where the decimal point is. Let's say we have a decimal divided by 7. When we're dividing these decimals, and this is important, you're going to be dividing decimals today, so I need everyone's attention. I see Abby's eyes. Your goal is to get this divisor. Remember, the divisor does the dividing, right? Chris is tracking the board. This divisor, we want to get it to a whole number. Whole number. I wonder what a whole number is. Who can tell me? Raise your hand silently. What's a whole number? Susanna. So we're tracking Susanna at level 0. Susanna.
Okay, a whole number is, well, it's like not, like, it's like, never mind, I can't say it.
Who can help her out? Gage.
A whole number is
Is what?
a whole number is a number that is made up of multiple parts, but it's made up of enough parts as to where it's whole.
Who can help him out?
It's a number with no decimals, which is like a whole number would be like 5 or 1 or something.
You know right? Chris? Thank you for asking. You need to remember those materials later.
That was
no decimals. Okay. How can we change, it's not funny. How can we change 3.2 so that it's a number with no decimals? What do we think? Ella?
You have to move the decimal over.
I'm going to change color so that we see it. So you're moving it over one. So what would I do with this one?
You gotta move it.
So our new decimal spot, Jade, it's just going to be right there. This can be a little messy. So we're going to rewrite it. 32 divided by 1673. And you'll have more room to work. Yes, Jesse.
So that, like, method, like the one where you just do that, like we were taught to do that, so we do a different way where it's like big 7, and that's just like,
But do you have, does that have remainders for,
yeah,
does it include remainders in that?
yes. With the big 7, it's like, so what you do is, so you just like multiply, like, for this one, it would be like, you multiply 3 to like, whatever number that you can get, without going over 1. So I'm just that right here, and just like, and that's your answer.
Maria's level 0 check.
And then if you're having a remainder, like when this one, the remainder was 2, so it would be, so then you would take the divisor, and the divisor is your denominator, and then this thing that you are doing would be like 2. Your remainder is the numerator, and your divisor is the denominator. And then you convert that fraction to percent, 66%. And you make that decimal, and that's how you do it. You can answer it. I didn't understand anything. I did for that.
Like resolve.
So I have I'm going to, let's try this level 0 track unit. Jasmine's at level 0. Your next step is this. Solve this decimal problem either in your math notebook or on the back of your Do Now. Individually, you can check in with someone else. Voice level 2.
Wait, which problem?
I'm passing out a problem for each person to do in your math notebook. Go.